open your Windows search icon and type in settings. And then, first of all, I would always suggest you to try or to make sure that you've updated your Windows to the newest version. So that just check for updates and download everything that is needed. Doesn't matter if you're using Windows 11 or Windows 10. Just make sure that that you're up to date. Then, when you check this, click on Privacy and Security on Windows Security in the Security section, and then click on Virus and Threat Protection. And here, scroll down to, or right in the middle of the screen, Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Click on Manage Settings, and here scroll down to. Oh, actually we're false here. Click on the left-hand side Firewall and Network Protection, and then click on Allow an App through Firewall. Yeah, that's it. And here on the top right corner, click on Change Settings. In order to do that, you need to have administrator rights, just to note that. And then, first of all, we're going to find Forza Horizon 5 in here. Perfect, here it is. And then just make sure that these two settings are checked here for your private network and your public network. And then just click on OK if you've made that sure. But the second thing we also need to check is Microsoft Store. Perfect, here also make sure that these two settings are checked here, buttons are checked, and then just click on OK and click on Close and click on Close. And then I would suggest you to just try restarting your Microsoft Store and then just download your Forza. The issue should be fixed now. If so, leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel. If not, just also leave a comment, then I'll write you back as soon as possible, and we will surely find a solution. But that's it. Thanks so much for watching. I wish you a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye.